Hey guys, it's Ty from Garage 88, and I'm really excited to introduce to you our latest project, the Toyota Tacoma 4th Gen roof rack. Built from lightweight aluminum, finished in a durable black powder coat finish with black stainless steel hardware to match. It features integrated T-slot aluminum crossbars for mounting accessories, as well as a built-in light bar cutout for a clean, low-profile setup. The wind deflector trim is designed to reduce wind noise and keep the rack sleek. Let's take a closer look. When you purchase the roof rack from Garage 88, this is what's going to be included. Going to be getting our branded G88 front plate, 6 crossbars, aluminum extruded with the T-slot inserts, a left and a right rail, also aluminum, our noise reducing trim, heavy duty mounting feet, as well as a hardware kit with tools included. Instructions will also be included to help you with the install. All right, to clarify, there's going to be 4 mounting brackets that say R and L. Right now, I'm standing on the right side. There's R1 for the front of the vehicle and R2 for the rear of the vehicle. These mounting brackets will need to be mounted right on the roof, and let me show you how to access the mounting points on the roof now. To access the mounting location on the top of the roof, there's going to be 4 of these plastic trim pieces. Simply, you can use your hands, lift it up, and expose this factory tape that covers these holes. You can use your fingers to feel it. You grab a knife, and all you need to do is make a simple X to expose the mounting location so we can mount the brackets. So I'm making 2 X's. That's all you need. Right here we're on R1. To install the bracket, after cutting the holes, you're going to grab these rubber washers and place them right on the holes in the gutter. After positioning the bracket, fill up this area full of silicone and into the hole to stop any moisture from getting into the cap, and place the bolt in the hole. Use a 10mm to tighten. The next step after getting the mounting brackets on is to put on the side rail. These side rails are made out of aluminum, also powder coated, so that it's going to withstand all the elements Canada has to offer. You're going to need a 13mm socket, a 6mm Allen key, as well as 4 of these nylock nuts and 4 black bolts. You're going to place the bolts through the side rail and into the bracket. From there, you grab the nuts and bolt it on. Hand tight all 4 first before using tools to tighten. The next step after installing the side rails is install the aluminum crossbars. Grab the black hardware that's included. Place the crossbar in the slot. You're going to grab a 6mm hex key to tighten these up after tightening them up by hand. Tighten up all 5 crossbars by hand before using the tool to tighten them up. When tightening these up, you will notice that this provides a lot of strength to the roof rack to hold various equipment such as awnings and rooftop tents. To install the front plate, you're going to grab your last crossbar and the front plate. You're going to start with the shorter bolts and the T-slot nuts. I'm going to place it in and do a couple threads in, just so they're hanging, and you want it to be like a V. And you're going to do this to all 8 locations. Once you've done all 8 locations, you're going to grab your crossbar with the access point facing down. You're going to slide it in. To install the front reducing trim, you're going to grab the front plate and squeeze it on the front leading edge of the plate and use tin snips or scissors to cut it to size. To install the front plate, you're going to grab your black hardware and make sure to place the front plate underneath the right angle of the side rail and bolt it on from the side. Before tightening the crossbar all the way, there's extra security added. And you're going to place one of these bolts on the top with the nut and secure it from the back. You might need a wrench as it is a little bit of a lower profile to get it on. Once you've had the front plate installed and secured all your hardware, center the roof rack by adjusting it left and right and tighten down the mounting hardware. And that's it for the install. The install is super quick and easy and only requires a few basic tools. If you want to find out more about this roof rack, check out the website, garage88.ca. We also have more photos and a growing lineup of products for the Toyota Tacoma 4th Gen on the website as well. We'll see you on the next one.